let's just get started with our lesson for tonight. Thank you, David, for sending the orange heart. Okay, so we are about to learn skill 6. Now it's gonna be about agreement. Yeah, I think I would like to refresh again to you, since we are here still talking about part A of the TOEFL test. Ya, kita masih bahas yang part A nih. Jadi part A itu adalah short dialogue or short conversation. Ya, I would like to remind you again gimana sih bentuk dari short dialogue atau short conversation. So, short dialogue itu it consists of two speakers, first speaker and second speaker, which each speaker will only talk in one line. Ya, jadi masing-masing speakernya hanya akan bicara one line gitu. So the first speaker will speak in one line, and then the second speaker will respond in also one line, and after that the narrator will give the question, which the question of the narrator. Wow, thank you, Eric. Eric udah ini ya, like really my loyal viewer. Jadi kalau apa namanya apa sih tadi? Nah, kalau di listening part A itu ya, the question from the narrator is actually very predictable. Ya, pertanyaan dari si naratornya itu sangat bisa diprediksi. Biasanya yang ditanyain itu adalah what does the second speaker mean? Or what does the second speaker say? Or what does the second speaker imply? Gitu. Pokoknya yang ditanyain itu pasti biasanya bagian dari si second speaker. So, again, please jangan sampai miss gitu the second speaker part. Okay? So, let's just start our lesson for tonight, guys, with skill 6, which is about agreement. Nah, jadi agreement itu biasanya nih si second speaker agree to what the first speaker said gitu. Misalnya, for example, on the recording you hear the first speaker, which is the man, says, I thought that the meal was overpriced. And then woman-nya bilang, me too. Nah, jadi kalau dia bilang me too, itu sebenarnya it shows agreement of what the first speaker has told before. Jadi kalau dia bilang me too, saya juga. Artinya dia juga berpikir yang sama. Dia juga berpikir bahwa the meal was overpriced gitu. In your textbook, you read A, there were too many spices in the meat, or she has the same opinion of the meal as the man, or C, she wants to share the man's meal, or the price of the meal was great. Ya, the answer is B. Jadi kata-kata me too di sini menunjukkan bahwa si second speaker agree to what the first speaker said. Jadi artinya yang B. She has the same opinion of the meal as the man. Dia memiliki opini yang sama mengenai meal itu dengan si man, gitu. Nah, so for that you need to be familiar to some expressions of agreement. Ya, kalian harus familiar nih dengan beberapa expressions of agreement. Jadi, kalau si second speakernya bilang kata-kata ini, ya, kalau si second speakernya bilang these expressions, it means that the second speaker want to give her agreement about what the first speaker said gitu. Ya, jadi misalnya kalau si second speakernya bilang so do I'll say atau me too, or you can say that again. Semuanya ini adalah expressions of agreement. Artinya si second speaker setuju dengan first speaker. Ya, so do saya juga. I'll say, nah I'll say ini expression of agreement ya. Ya, saya juga gitu. Saya berpikir yang sama. Me too, saya juga. You can say that again. Nah ini hati-hati ya. Jadi kalau you can say that again, itu jangan diartikan kata per kata. Kalau kita artikan kata per kata, you can say that again. Kamu bisa mengatakannya lagi gitu. Bukan berarti si second speaker minta si first speakernya untuk mengulang kata-katanya, bukan itu ya. Jadi kalau second speakernya bilang, you can say that again, artinya yes, I agree with you. Ya, it has the same meaning as that. Tumben malam, Miss. Yeah, because this morning I have another agenda anyway. I have something very important to do. So yeah, I decided just to do it tonight. Oke, sekarang kita coba lihat some other example. Ya, sebelum kita ke audionya, ke TOEFL practice-nya, kita coba lihat yang ada skripnya dulu ya. Nih, misalnya gini. Number 1, ya. First speaker-nya bilang, this homework is going to take forever. Ya, to take forever di sini artinya bukan selamanya, bukan maksudnya literally meaning bahwa homework-nya itu it's gonna take forever to finish gitu ya. Maksudnya tuh lama banget, pasti bakalan lama banget selesainya. Terus the second speaker say I'll say gitu. Jadi kalau I'll say juga sama, jangan diartikan kata per kata, saya akan mengatakan, bukan gitu ya. Jadi I'll say itu adalah expression of agreement. Artinya yes, I agree with you gitu. Oke, I'll say berarti yang mana jawabannya nih? Coba A, B, C, or D. Yang C, ya, Axel, that's right. Yang C ya, he and the woman have the same opinion about the homework. Yes, C. Jadi kata I'll say di sini menunjukkan bahwa si second speaker agree with what the first speaker has said. Oke, jadi jawabannya C yang ini. Oke, sekarang kita lanjut ke number 2 ya. Number 2. A trip to the park might be nice. A trip to the park might be nice. You can say that again, kata si second speaker. Oke. Jadi, just like what I told you before, jadi you can say that again, jangan diartikan kata per kata. Kamu bisa mengatakannya lagi, bukan ini artinya dia setuju, gitu ya. So, the answer is D, Axel. Oke. He agrees about the trip to the park. Ya, dia setuju untuk melakukan perjalanan ke the park gitu. Nah, hati-hati dengan yang pilihan A ya. Pilihan A katanya apa? The woman should repeat what she said. Bukan. Jadi ini kan artinya you can say that again. Kamu bisa mengatakannya lagi. Bukan berarti dia meminta si woman untuk mengulanginya lagi ya. Bukan gitu maksudnya. Jadi you can say that again itu adalah sebuah ekspresi agreement, expression of agreement gitu. So the answer is D. Okay, number 3. I think it's time to go home. So do I. So do I artinya saya juga berpikir yang sama denganmu. That it's time to go home. Gitu. Okay, so which one is the answer for number 3? B. Yes, the answer is B. She also thinks it's a good idea to leave. Ya, it's B. Ya, jadi dari kata so do I. Ya, saya setuju denganmu. Berarti yang ini ya, she also thinks it's a good idea. Alright. So, ya gitu aja untuk untuk skill 6 ya. It's about agreement. Jadi tadi diingat lagi expressions of agreement tadi ada so do I, me too, I'll say, you can say that again. Okay, so those are expressions of agreement. Jadi kalau si second speaker mengatakan 4 expressions tadi, artinya she agrees to what the first speaker said. Alright, so now let's do TOEFL exercise 6. I think, okay, I think let's do it 4 numbers. Kita langsung 4 nomor ya. Numbers 1 to number 4. Numbers 1 to number 4. Boleh kali sambil tap-tap layar, guys. Okay. Oh, mana dia?
TOEFL exercise 6. In this exercise, Listen carefully to the short conversation and question on the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should pay particular attention to expressions of agreement. Number 1.
I think we should visit Sam in the hospital.
Me too.
What does the woman mean? Number 2.
The news really surprised me.
You can say that again.
What does the woman mean? Number 3.
I think it would be nice to have a pet.
So do I.
What does the man mean?
That movie was so boring.
I'll say,
What does the man mean?
Okay, you can drop your answer, guys. Please drop your answer langsung 4 ya. Langsung 4, number 1 to number 4. Jadi jangan satu-satu kayak tadi C, B gitu. A, I don't know which number you are answering anyway, right? Enggak kok, enggak. Okay, you can drop your answer guys, number 1 until number 4. Jadi langsung 1, 2, 3, 4. Jadi misalnya A, B, C, D gitu ya. Udah A, B, C, D gitu. D, C, B, D. I, Philo, oke. B, C, B, C. A, B, D. Seropico, oke. Oke, yang lain mana? Yang lain jawabannya cuma 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 people, okay. Sunflower, DCBD, okay. Mungkin jawaban hilang terus, Mas. Oh, sorry. Sorry, guys. Jujur nggak dengar tadi, guys. Oh, kenapa? Hilang terus maksudnya gimana nih? Apanya yang hilang, guys? Live-nya. Oh, gitu. DC. The signal, I think. Oh ya? Oh, lag. Really? Jadi dia nggak begitu kedengeran ya? Okay, do you want me to play it one more time? For number 1 to 4? Or let's just go on. Repeat one more time, yes? Yes, please. Okay, sure. For number 1 to 4, yeah. Yeah. Okay, hopefully this time there will be no problem ya. Okay.
TOEFL Exercise 6. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question on the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should pay particular attention to expressions of agreement. Number 1.
I think we should visit Sam in the hospital.
Me too.
What does the woman mean? Number 2.
The news really surprised me.
You can say that again.
What does the woman mean? Number 3.
I think it would be nice to have a pet.
So do I.
What does the man mean? Number 4.
That movie was so boring.
I'll say,
What does the man mean?
Oke, aman ya. Oke. Well, tumben malam nih sih ya, soalnya tadi pagi nggak bisa live, Cihuy. I had another agenda this morning. Oke, now you can drop your answer, guys. Gimana tadi? Aman ya? It was better than before, right? Oke, jadi coba ulang lagi, drop jawabannya ya. From numbers 1 to 4. DABD, okay. Thank you, Seropiko, for sharing your answer. Others? Hilang chatnya, Miss, nggak bisa dikirim. BCBC, oh gitu. DCBD, oke. DCBD. Ini Miss 1, 2, 3, 4. Oke, DCBD. Oke, DCBD juga anti. Alright. DCBD Miss. Oke, KD. Cinda BCBD. Alright. Oke. Jadi semuanya tadi berbentuk agreement, ya kan? Semuanya second speakernya setuju dengan si first speakernya. Ya, karena memang ini adalah TOEFL exercise 6. Jadi memang semua pertanyaannya gitu, itu semuanya mencakup skill 6 about agreement, ya. Oke, jadi kita coba let's discuss from number 1. Number 1 tadi, I think we should visit Sam in the hospital. And then the second speaker said, me too, katanya. Me too. Berarti yang mana? Ya, D, ya. The answer is D. Oh my god. She shares the man's opinion. Nah, kalau di sini ada kata-kata she shares the man's opinion, artinya dia memiliki opini yang sama dengan si man, gitu ya. So, number 1, the answer is D. Okay. Number 2. The news really surprised me, kata si first speaker. And then the second speaker responded by saying, you can say that again. You can say that again. Ya, hati-hati dengan yang A ya, bukan berarti the man should repeat himself. Ini banyak sekali yang terkecoh di sini. Menganggap bahwa you can say that again itu diartikannya per kata per kata gitu, padahal kan itu sebuah expression. Ya, you can say that again is an expression of agreement. So the answer is C. Ya, she was also surprised. Karena tadi si first speakernya bilang the news really surprised me. Terus dia bilang, you can say that again. Berarti dia juga surprise, feeling surprise. Okay, so the answer for number 2 is C. Alright, and then number 3. I think it would be nice to have a pet. So do I, kata si second speaker. So do I. Berarti maksudnya adalah he agrees with the woman. Ya, B. Lanjut, number 4. That movie was so boring. I'll say, ya, I'll say, artinya he shares the woman's opinion. Ya, jadi kalau ada kata-kata begini, shares the woman's opinion, artinya dia memiliki opini yang sama gitu dengan si man. Oke. Hai Iqbal, thank you for the orange heart. Oke guys, kita lanjut ya to number 5, 6, 7. Nah, 3 nomor dulu ya. Five, 6, and 7. Okay, are you ready everyone? Let's do it. Be more focused, pay attention to the options ya. Jadi matanya melihat ke option, kemudian telinganya ke audio. Ya, that works best. And then tulisannya kepotong, really? Oh my god. Yang bagian atas ya, potong ya. Nih, udah aman? 5, 6, 7 ya. 5, 6, 7. 3 nomor dulu. 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10 nanti belum ya. 5, 6, and 7 first. Okay, but for this time I'm gonna just play it once. Ya, supaya kalian terlatih ya. I'm gonna just play it once, guys. Karena in the actual TOEFL test, you're gonna also listen to the audio once. Like, it's not gonna be repeated for you. Alright? Samping miss kepotong dari nomor 8. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7 only for this time ya. 3 nomor ya. 3 nomor. Cinurul. Iya atuh. Oke ya. 5, 6, 7.
Number 5. I'm so glad those 3 classes are over.
You can say that again.
What does the woman mean? Number 6.
I prefer playing sports rather than watching sports.
Me too.
What does the man mean? Number 7.
The coffee is really strong.
I'll say,
What does the woman mean?
Okay, DAB. DAB, Axel also DAB. DAB, okay. DAB, okay. DAB, DDB, anti. DAB, Fin. DAB. DAB, alright. Okay, so most of you say that the answer is DAB for numbers 5, 6, and 7. Miss mulai live-nya jam berapa tadi? Jam berapa ya? 9 lewat sih Iqbal, kayaknya 9 lewat 20. Iqbal baru ketinggalan 4 soal for numbers. Oke, jadi untuk number 5, okay, let's see. I'm so glad those 3 classes are over. Oke, terus second speakernya bilang, you can say that again. Oke, you can say that again. Again itu adalah expression of agreement. Ya, kalau si second speakernya bilang you can say that again, artinya dia setuju dengan apa yang dikatakan oleh si first speaker. So the answer is yes, D. She's also happy that the classes are finished. Gitu. Dia, oke. Lanjut, number 6. Number 6. I prefer playing sports rather than watching sports. Me too, kata si second speaker. Me too, itu juga adalah expression of agreement. So the answer is A. His ideas about sports are similar to the woman's. Okay, so the answer is A. Okay, lanjut. Number 7. The coffee is really strong. I'll say juga adalah expression of agreement. So the answer is B. She agrees with the man. The answer is B ya. Okay, so the answer is D, A, B for numbers 5, 6, and 7. Okay, kita lanjut ke numbers 8, 9, and 10. 8, 9, 10. Kelihatan ya? 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's do it. 8, 9, 10.
What does the woman mean?
Okay, number 8.
Number 8.
I thought the math exam was almost impossible.
Me too. What does the man mean? Number 9.
I think we should go out for dinner tonight.
So do I.
What does the woman mean? Number 10.
The new teacher certainly made history interesting.
You can say that again.
What does the man mean?
Okay. You can drop your answer, guys, for number 8, 9, and 10. DCA, okay. DCA, okay. DCA juga, DCA, okay. Semuanya masih DCA so far. DCA juga is 90. Okay, thank you for sharing your answer, guys. So let's check, yeah, from number 8. Number 8, I thought the math exam was almost impossible. Okay, kemudian si second speakernya bilang, me too, expressions of agreement. So the answer is, yeah, D, yeah. He has the same opinion as the woman, D. Okay, and then number 9, I think we should go out for dinner tonight. Terus si second speakernya bilang, so do I, ya. So it means that the second speaker agrees to the first speaker. So that's why the answer is, yeah, C. She thinks they should go out too. Ya, dari kata to-nya ini nih. Dia berpikir bahwa mereka harus pergi keluar juga gitu. So the second speaker has the same opinion as the first speaker. Alright, and then number 10. The new teacher certainly made history interesting. And then the second speaker said, you can say that again. Artinya, yeah, expressions of agreement. Alright, the answer is A. He is in agreement about the teacher. Yeah, the answer is A. Iya, agak gampang ya kalau skill 6 karena soalnya ya semuanya tentang expressions of agreement, jadi sangat bisa ditebak jawabannya ya. Ya, Jadi, I think I would like to review a little bit about skill 6. Nah, skill 6 was about agreement. So sometimes the second speaker will agree to what the first speaker said. And the second speaker will use some expressions of agreement like I'll say, and then me too, and then so do I, and then you can say that again. Oke, nah especially yang terakhir nih kayak you can say that again, itu jangan diartikan secara literal ya. Jadi you can say that again itu adalah sebuah expression of agreement. It means that you agree to what to the second speaker agrees to what the first speaker said.